Well, we are back to work on this woodshed, and Chris is just cutting the steel to get it on the back and hopefully move that thing back into place. Sun's in my eyes. Just had to clean these first two sheets off because they've been laying out there in the weather for quite a while. This is the third one. Just got to do two more and we can get these screwed back on there. Now that we've got those back pieces on, we can try and get it into place. That should be fun.
I think we just keep going the way we are, it'll swing.
Yeah, because I felt it go that way too. Yeah, it's not bad, so. You want it right against there though, right? Well, I think it's got to go that way though. Okay, well I'll just try to lift it a little higher. Let me get that stuff off it. Yeah, because it's away from it down there, so it's got to come this way a bit. So that's what we were aiming for, to have this right against the sea can. And that actually skirts this canyon, so we've got a little bit here on this end to skirt this one in. So, kill two birds with one stone. That's a hair off the bubble. Pretty darn near perfect. There's another little piece of plywood.
Oh yeah, there's the bottom one.
Yeah, it's the same.
Oh yeah, but...
Well, there's that little piece of plywood down at that end too, but... No. Oh, that's as far as I can get it up. Oh. Yeah, I know. Okay, I'll try again. Yeah, I pulled it away from the building a bit. You want me to put it back in? Betty's here to inspect. just going to turn the tractor around so the other half is on this side so I don't have to lean too far, because everything in my back and arms and shoulders and neck hurts. You can see the difference in that wood, how nice that top stuff is. It's so dry, just perfect. Yeah, maybe I better go check. Chickens are squawking. I better get back to work or I'm gonna get fired. That's the plan anyway. There's one in the driveway we dropped too. Well, that is all we're going to do for now. That hurt bad enough just to do that. I can't turn my head to the right because the pain shoots through my neck and my wrists are killing me, so, well, everything is. Now the chickens are squawking again. Sometimes it's the big ravens, sometimes it's a hawk. We just never really know, and we can't really tell when the leaves are on the trees. So we're going to go back after supper when it's beautiful and cool out, and get the rest of that stuff bucked up, and then we need to get back out in the woods. It's going to have to wait till next week now because I'll need a week to recover, my muscles to recover. So we'll go back out and hopefully get a couple of the dead standing spruce, because I think that's what this top stuff is. And it's just such beautiful wood to burn. It's so dry. So we'll do the rest after supper. And again, me not being able to do the heavy lifting, and Chris really shouldn't be doing any heavy lifting yet. He's only supposed to lift 5 pounds, and I forgot to ask the doctors about that, if he's allowed to lift a little bit more, because he has been, and you know, I don't want to take any chances. So I got to get me back to the point, at least to the point where I'm not in absolute agony. And I think maybe we'll put a call in to Jenny, his nurse, and ask about the lifting and stuff, just to see if, just to be sure. Don't want to take any chances, like I say. So later on today we will go back and get some more when it's nice and cool.